Kajingyai Bteng ki Jingthombor Manipur kala penlong yo menteri rangba kajala kondat ke sangma ban Thoh Biang so menteri rangba udu Narendra Modi kumju so menteri kampo yeng kari wa Amit Shah ban pha tuklar no mardor.
The Manipur incident is very, very disturbing. Number one, it is really something that just shouldn't have happened, and the government must take action against all these people who have done this. As I said, I repeat again that this is completely unacceptable what has happened, and strong action must be taken.
Sir, will you write also to the Chief Minister of Manipur?
Absolutely, to the Chief Minister as well as to the Home Ministry and to the Honorable Prime Minister also. You must be aware that even before this, about a month back, I have already written to the Honorable Prime Minister and the Home Minister regarding certain measures and actions to be taken in Manipur, not as Chief Minister of Meghalaya, but as a political party. So, just let me finish. To write to the Honorable Prime Minister and the Home Minister for this. So we have been doing that. In the last all-party meeting that was called, I had attended personally, and we've been stressing on this. So yes, this incident, as I said, is very disturbing, and we will press that all measures should be taken so that action is taken against those who are guilty.